forgot to film it when I was over there. There is this type of tree over there, and then there's another one just like it here. The leaves appear to be all green compared to earlier when I was seeing some leaves that were red on the other plants. Here are some different types of buds on here. They almost look like some sort of pine cone, but like green, but they've got like the different textures of a pine cone, how there's like layer upon layer on top of itself. So here in the sunny area, most of them appear to be green with very little brown on the tips. I'm not sure at this point what they're going to bud into, but let's take a look over here in the more shaded area if the buds look any different. Here in the shade, I don't see any buds on this side at all. Not on any of these here. I'm gonna go take a look on the other side. Okay, here we go. These are definitely a lot more brown over here in the shade. If I can get it to focus right, there we go. They're smaller for sure, like that. Oops, there we go. A lot darker, not nearly as green. So here's the other tree of a similar kind, closer to the lake. That's the one I was just at over there. Here, I'm going to look at, let's see, where's the sunniest side? Over here appears to be sunnier. So, there are these ones. Looking at them, they are, this is interesting. They appear to be closer to the small size that I'd seen on this tree over here in the shaded side, but they still don't have that much brown on them. The shaded side does not have as much of the little buds. Let's see if I can find some. Okay, like here. Okay, this one's big and even less brown on it. There's more brown on these ones in the sun side than compared to the ones over on, if I can get to focus, on that tree over there in the sun side, but still less than the ones that were in the shade. So I'm guessing this tree over here gets much more sun than this one because the plants are not nearly as green over here, even in the sunny side. So yeah, I'm going to head out of this park now. Give you one last final look. There is the U-shaped grass area that I was talking about. And then there's the lake here. Here's the first tree I looked at that I kind of concluded got more sun, at least on the one side, but I will have to keep a closer eye on it. And then there's this one over here, the second tree I looked at. Yeah, so here we are, this is the park.